When you see a red car with key symbol on your Nissan dashboard, this is your vehicle's intelligent key warning light, also known as the immobilizer system warning light. This security feature indicates issues with your car's anti-theft system, which prevents unauthorized engine starts. Here's what the actual symbol looks like on your dashboard. The meaning of this light depends on how it appears. There are three different states you need to understand: solid red, flashing red, and continuous red. A solid red light means the immobilizer system is active and functioning normally. This is actually a good sign your security system is working. A flashing red light indicates a system malfunction or key recognition failure. This means something is wrong with the communication between your key and the car. A continuous red light means the engine is prevented from starting due to authentication failure. Your car simply won't start when this appears. Now let's look at the most common causes of these warning lights. The number one cause is a weak key fob battery, which accounts for 60 to 70% of all cases. The second most common cause is key fob programming issues, where the key loses synchronization with your vehicle's body control module. Other causes include immobilizer system malfunctions and physical damage to the key itself. These issues require more technical diagnosis and repair. Understanding what this red car with key symbol means is the first step in resolving the issue. In most cases, it's a simple battery replacement, but knowing the different states helps you determine the urgency of the problem. The most effective first step is replacing the key fob battery, which resolves 60 to 70% of all cases. This simple fix costs only $5 to $15 and takes just minutes to complete. If battery replacement doesn't work, try the traditional key reset procedure. Insert your key into the ignition without starting the engine, then turn to the on position for exactly 10 seconds. For vehicles with push-button start systems, the reset procedure is different. Sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed, then press and hold both the brake pedal and start button simultaneously for 15 seconds. As a last resort, you can try disconnecting the car's battery. Remove the negative terminal for 15 minutes, then reconnect it. This resets the vehicle's computer systems and may clear the immobilizer error. If these methods fail, it's time to seek professional help. Watch for error codes like P1610, P1614, or P1615 on your diagnostic scanner. Physical damage to keys or ignition components also requires professional repair. Remember the troubleshooting sequence. Start with battery replacement, try the appropriate reset procedure for your vehicle type, attempt battery disconnect if needed, and seek professional help when DIY methods fail.